right, we're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, less anxious, more like yourself, and it just might change your life. Let's take a deep breath in and out. What we're going to be doing is tapping. So tapping is based on Chinese medicine and the meridians that store energy and information. So what's the point that we're tapping on right now helps to release grief. Good. Already I'm feeling people starting to cry, and that's perfectly fine. That's totally normal and common. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I'm feeling the chest open up and relax. Good. Top of the head helps to release looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. You're doing great. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. This is going to help to release anger and frustration that you have right now. Good. This feels very profound. Feels like it's moving a lot of energy down the back of your neck, down your spine. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Great. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Now you can tap with either hand, and you also don't have to tap on both sides, but I enjoy tapping on both sides. I find it more calming. So what we're doing right now is we are actually retraining the brain and the body to be in a more calm state through this rhythmic tapping. And some of the emotions that are being released are going to also help you to feel calmer and more aligned in your body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This point here helps to release control. So if you've been seeking control in your life, a lot of people who have anxiety often are seeking or trying to seek control outside of them. The only thing that we can truly control is how we respond. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Oftentimes we wind up reacting because we are so full of all these other emotions that when one thing happens, all the rest of the emotions start to come out. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This point right here helps to connect the mind and body. And when we experience trauma, overwhelm, anxiety, we tend to check out. And that's a way of us trying to keep our body safe. But we need to return after the stress has gone by, and sometimes we don't. So this helps to get us back into our body, get our mind and body connected again energetically so that the signals are flowing correctly back and forth. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I forgot to tell you that this one also helps to clear frustration and anger. Let's go down here underneath the lip. This helps to release any kind of energy and information where you have not spoken your truth but wanted to. Maybe you were trying to be kind. Maybe you couldn't speak up. This helps to release that, as well as any energy and information that you sent towards yourself in a negative way. Maybe it was negative self-talk or distrust in yourself. Good. This is one of the most powerful places for us to release energy from, because we are creators with our words. And when we start to distrust what we're going to do, so let's say we say we're going to do something and we don't, that sends a signal back to the body that you're incongruent, and it makes it really hard to manifest things when you are not being impeccable with your word. That's one of the 4 agreements. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This point here helps to release fear. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the center of the chest. This is going to help us to release any grief, heartbreak, anytime that we haven't been kind to ourselves. It really is a place where we can offer more compassion, love, and forgiveness. Good. That energy is super healing. Take a deep breath in and out. I love you. You're doing great. Let's go to the outside of the body. On the right-hand side is anger that we're processing, and on the left side is worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So you might be yawning throughout this. You might feel shivers going down your spine. You might feel energy draining down the backs of your legs into your feet. Your feet might be tingling. These are all signs that you're getting grounded in your body, you're moving the energy, and you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system. When we release this stuff, our body just little by little starts to get more into alignment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we have stuck emotions, it's like causing a traffic jam in our body. And we're just helping to release those emotions so that the energy can flow more easily, so that we have more energy, so that we have more clarity, so that we're not triggered into fight or flight. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So you can tap for as long as you'd like. Most people tap anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour and a half. And you just tap and talk about your feelings. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. The more you can tap and talk about how you're feeling and offer yourself compassion, then you're going to start to rewrite and release energy that has been keeping you feeling stuck. Good. Deep breath in and out. Let's go here. Good. You're a powerful creator. Start focusing on what you want, not what you don't want. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Good. This is just a gentle nervous system reset. But if you want to go deeper with your healing, tap and talk about your feelings. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. One more big deep breath in and out. I want you to place your hands over your heart for 20 seconds. This is going to help to release oxytocin, which is going to help to heal your body, put you into the parasympathetic nervous system, and help you to bond with yourself and others. Good. I love you. Take one more deep breath in and out.